Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying impedance and power needs because mismatched load kills amps. Next, run fused 12V power from a reliable supply and connect ground to a clean chassis ground. This prevents noise and voltage sag. Once done, tie the remote turn-on lead or 12V trigger so the amp powers with your source. Finally, use a line output converter if the receiver lacks RCA outs, or choose speaker-level inputs to get a clean signal into the amp. You next build or adapt an enclosure that matches the sub's Thiel-Small parameters, because box type controls frequency response and efficiency. Once the box is ready, mount the sub securely and wire speaker leads with correct polarity. Reversed phase cancels base. Then, run power cable size to amp draw. Keep ground as short as possible to reduce noise. Make sure RCA and remote wires are routed separately from power cables to minimize hum, and crimp or solder terminals for reliable contact. You finish by tuning crossover and gain so the sub blends with mains. Start with a low pass around 80 to 120 Hz and adjust gain until level matched. Once tuned, run sweep tones and listen for peaks or rattle. Adjust box damping or secure loose panels if necessary. If you hear hum, isolate possible ground loops by disconnecting sources or using a ground loop isolator, and recheck ground connections. Finally, tweak phase for tight bass and confirm stable operation before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.